Okay, we are here at the Marsh Reserve and we have finally made it to the beach. Welcome to beautiful Lake Erie. Welcome to the awesome marshland of Lake Erie. Oh my gosh, I thought those were birds. Those are just a bunch of plants. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry, audience. I had you. I lied. I don't know why I thought those were birds. From that angle, they look like a bunch of those birds that walk on stick legs, but they're not. Ohio ranks only second to California in the destruction of wetland habitat. 92% of Ohio's vast wetlands has been destroyed. Coastal wetlands provide many benefits that we take for granted. They provide invaluable flood protection, holding water back so it can be released into the lake and groundwater at a much slower rate. They protect shoreline properties from heavy erosion. They provide habitat for great diversity of wildlife, and they filter out sediments and pollution from surface runoff. Fish. The marsh is very important to fish during the spawning season. Fish enter the marsh from Lake Erie, taking advantage of the shallow, fertile water to spawn and raise their young. The shallow waters warm quickly in the spring and provide an enormous food source for larva fish. Most of the fish are forage fish, which provide an important food chain in Lake Erie. Extensive fish research on Lake Erie provides that large numbers of fish can be found staging along coastal wetlands, waiting to feed on younger forage fish exiting the marsh. The fish you see splashing aggressively during the spring are male carp thrashing about in competition to fertilize the female eggs that are being broadcast on vegetation and debris in the water. This is why we need to keep the Asian carp out of the Illinois River to protect these carp. More adventurous, I would get that net out of that protected swamp area. I wonder if that was intentionally put there. It looks like it was very intentionally put there. I mean, this is a protected habitat. I wonder what they're trying to catch. And it's moving a little, like it does have something inside. Oh, not really, but there's another bucket. Okay, we are here at the Marsh Reserve and we have finally made it to the beach. Welcome to beautiful Lake Erie. I haven't been here in like 5 years, since the last time I had to come to Cleveland for business.